So I'm sitting in class, trying to be chill, when I feel it coming. That sneeze. You know, the one that builds up slow, like a dramatic movie scene. I try to hold it back, because the room is dead silent. But nope, it comes out like a full-on explosion. Everyone turns around. I'm like, sorry, trying to act normal. But then, another sneeze hits. And another. And another. At this point, I'm sneezing so much the teacher stops teaching just to stare at me. Some kid in the back yells, "Yo, someone get this dude a power up." Now I'm red-faced, tears in my eyes, sniffling like I just ran a marathon. And of course, I drop my pencil mid-sneeze, so it rolls across the room in slow motion. Everyone's watching me like I'm live streaming a sneeze concert. Finally, when it stops, the class is dead quiet. And the teacher just goes, "Are you finished, or should I give you the stage?" Yeah. I don't show my face in that classroom anymore without tissues.